it on?
Yeah.
All right, and you're one of those karaoke people, huh?
Yes, I do.
What's the song that really gets
Hey!
up there?
Hey!
Oh,
Quit looking at her sandwich!
yeah, I see you doing that. All right, good to have you here. Lauren Landini, hi, Lauren, from Hempstead, New York. You are a visual merchandiser. I have no idea what that is.
No, she's not gonna do
I
anything.
work at an outdoor sports store.
Will it record what you're saying?
Displays, dress mannequins, and keep the store looking nice and
Very
clean.
good. I like that title. That's
All
What do
right.
you like to do when you're not visualizing merchandise?
I love to rollerblade. I played softball. I played softball at Iona College.
Yeah, okay. Well, good. Well, I hope you win a lot of money, too. Let's get ready. Let's give away $2,000 right now to one of these folks. Thing is the category. Here we go. Brian.
Fountain of Youth.
Yeah, that's it. And boy, am I thirsty. Brian won $2,000. He'll spin the wheel in a moment. Here's Jim.
Alrighty, Pat. Tonight's jackpot round is brought to you by Working Seafood.
You're so funny.
Try Gordon's new skillet crisp.
Stop eating my food!
Cooked in your skillet with real herbs and spices, tasting crisp and delicious.
What are you doing, Ken?
And here's tonight's featured prize. Visit California.
What are you doing, Kenzie Lee?
Kenzie.
What are you doing?
Bad, Kenzie.
Full-service waterfront
Bad.
hotel is located next to the world-renowned
Does that taste
Monterey
good?
Aquarium in the heart of historic
Is that
Bad,
good?
Kenzie.
$5,270.
What a great spot that is. People is our category, and Brian is our spinner. Here we go.
T.
No T there. T is good.
Hey! She got two that time.
I see.
Two S's, so you can pick that wild card.
Oh, well.
There you go. And I need spin again. Well, I'm afraid you got a bankrupt there. You have to send that back. People watching for the first time say,
Hi, Bella.
that's part back and forth. Lauren, it's your head. 400.
T.
10 calls, so watch that.
You ain't ate my other food.
600.
N.
3N. There you go. Now, Brian, you have $1,800.
There you go.
Goodbye now,
Okay,
please.
stop it.
A.
Hit the red button.
Yeah.